Attention to detail is an essential component of Task 1 success. To deliver an accurate and well-written Task 1 answer in the academic version of IELTS, you need to master 3 micro skills. Watch through to the end of this video and find out what the essential micro skills for Task 1 are. Hi there, my name is David. I am the coach of IELTS Breakthrough. This channel is packed with tips and strategies that you need to get your best performance in IELTS. Make sure that you are subscribed to the channel and get super value completely free just by clicking the subscription and notification button. I'll see you in lots of all these content-packed, information-rich videos. Okay then, so this video is about the micro skills you need to master for Task 1 of the academic IELTS writing question. Let's get into these micro skills. Micro skill number 1 is trend sentences. What do I mean by trend sentences? I'm talking about describing what is going up and what is going down. You'll need this a lot because in line graphs, bar charts, the rows or the columns of a table, and in a pie chart question, you have to write about which pieces of the pie are increasing and decreasing. It is a fact that for almost every single Task 1 academic question, you'll need to describe some kind of trend. There are 2 skill areas in terms of describing trends. The first is knowing the vocabulary, and this is good news because there are distinct vocabulary items that you can learn that will impress the examiner. Make sure that you learn these vocabulary items. Don't just write the boring words like go up, go down, increase or decrease. Learn more interesting words, and this will improve your score. Once you know the vocabulary, then you also need to know how to use this vocabulary in writing trend sentences. So this is a little bit of grammar mastery. Make sure that you check the video out on how to write trend sentences. Micro skill number 2 is writing the variable. You need to write the variable clearly and accurately. What do I mean by the variable? Well, the variable is the phrase that identifies the category you are trying to describe from the chart. Here are a couple of examples to make this clear. Variables look like this: the percentage of ice creams sold, the number of people who went on holiday, the level of pollution in Chicago. You will use variables frequently when you are describing trends and in the next micro skill when you are making comparisons. Make sure that you can write variables automatically without even thinking about them. This will improve your speed as well in getting through the Task 1. Remember, you only have 20 to 25 minutes to do this. Okay, the last micro skill you need to master is making comparisons. Comparisons, of course, is where you write a sentence that basically says variable X is bigger than variable Y. English is very flexible and creative in terms of how to write comparisons. So this is quite a wide area. My recommendation is that you focus on the 2 easiest ways to make comparisons. That is using regular comparisons, X is bigger than Y, X is more interesting than Y. I'm sure you know those. The second way is to make a comparison using as. X is not as big as Y. Just like describing trends, it's almost guaranteed that you'll need to make some kind of comparison to the data in your Task 1 answer. Make sure you can do it, and of course watch the video on making comparisons to improve your skills in this micro skill. There we have it, ladies and gentlemen. These micro skills are the 3 essential components of your Task 1 academic writing answer for IELTS. If you use these micro skills properly, your Task 1 answer will rock. And on the other side, if you can't write trend sentences, describe the variable, or make comparisons, then your Task 1 answer is going to fall down. So the key is to practice them a lot before you take the test so that you can write them automatically without even thinking. Now, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Obviously, there's a lot more to say on these micro skills, and I've got more videos that focus specifically on each micro skill alone. Be sure to watch them. Let me know in the comments, what problems do you have with writing Task 1? How confident do you feel in terms of writing trend sentences, writing the variable, and making comparisons? Thank you for staying with me in this video. IELTS Breakthrough is an IELTS coaching channel where you can get tips, strategies and tutorials on IELTS Academic, IELTS General Training and of course IELTS Life Skills. Make sure you are subscribed and go through all of these valuable videos. In the meantime, have a fantastic day, week, morning, afternoon, weekend in whatever you are doing. I'll see you in the next video.